Select collagen supplements. Collagen helps our body, especially our skin, grow and replace damaged cells. It is this quality of collagen that makes it a good anti-aging supplement. With the number of anti-aging and collagen treatments available, it may be a bit overwhelming for one to choose which one would be best suited for him or her. This article lists some tips on how to narrow down your choices depending on what you need and what would work for you. Purity of the collagen supplement. The first thing you need to know is to determine the source of the collagen supplement that you are targeting to get. There are two main types of collagen, the bovine-sourced and the marine-sourced. Marine-derived collagen is more than half times more potent and pure than the bovine collagen. With that, it would be of course more expensive to get. If you are looking at products that combine collagen with cosmetics such as powders infused with collagen, if the price tag is high, then you should expect that they should be using marine-based collagen. Know why you need the collagen supplements. There are many reasons why you would collagen supplements, and based on this reason, you can further narrow down which supplement is better for you. For example, if you are taking collagen supplements because you are experiencing some joint pain, then look for supplements that are targeted for cartilage improvement. These types of supplements will not work on the skin, so if you are more concerned with your skin, such as preventing it from wrinkling, then those with types 3 and 7 would be better suited for you. Following the dosage. As with any medication or supplement, proper dosage must be followed with collagen treatments. You must remember that a maximum of 5 to 6 grams of collagen per day is the limit, especially if you are using it for purely cosmetic purposes. If you are using collagen to alleviate pain in the joints, then your doctor would have prescribed the proper amount for you to strictly follow. Usually those using collagen for medicinal purposes can take up to 10 grams of it per day. In case you accidentally overdosed on collagen, take note that most of the time, the body just flushes out the excess quantity, since it is essentially a water-based protein, which can be easily flushed out. If you are not sure you should take collagen supplements, there are other ways that you can naturally get collagen without buying the supplements. Diets rich in citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons are good sources of vitamin C, which helps in the body's production of collagen. This would be the same for green leafy vegetables such as broccoli. Another option is for you to start eating soy products more, such as tofu and soy milk, since they block enzymes that break down collagen in the body. Take higher doses of vitamin C plus vitamin E and you should be on your way into producing more naturally occurring collagen in your very own body.